is the second you can get out of your tools, the better you are. As a marketer, we should be spending the majority of our time in our customers' shoes. Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about getting out of your tools. And this applies to all marketers, okay, myself included. We get, I don't know, maybe this is just agency life, but we get a little bit in a routine of like, what's Google Ads telling me? How are my keywords looking in SEMrush? How are we ranking? What kind of content is SEO Scout saying we need to create? And we become over-reliant on our tools. Now, the reason this is so important is tools don't give you the landscape. They don't give you the competitive nature of what's going on around us. In other words, let's give you a content example, okay? I can throw a piece of content into SEO Scout. Lovely tool, by the way, really highly recommend it. And it'll tell you, using natural language processing, and I believe it's powered by IBM Watson, great stuff. It'll tell you, use these terms. Your reading level's too high or too low. Be more comprehensive. Word count, have more length. All of that is great, but it's assuming you have the right type of content to start. And my point is a lot of times we don't. In other words, you look in Google Ads and say click-through rates down, so you select a new type of ad copy you're running to test. But should we even be advertising that keyword? What are the competitors advertising? Did we go down because we have the wrong offer, or did we go down because there's better offers? My point in all of this is the second you can get out of your tools, the better you are. As a marketer, we should be spending the majority of our time in our customers' shoes and a lot less in our own. In other words, get out of your tools and start acting like your customer. Start doing 3 tabs, evaluating competitors, looking at pricing, understanding product, understanding design, placement, and really say, am I the best option? And if not, what do I need to do to fix it? Thanks, and that's 2 Minutes of SaaS.